All right, without any further delay, let's get started with our 2019 Topps Tier 1 Baseball Random Team One Box Break number 1. Just like with all of our random breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Kenneth in the top spot, and we've got Charles in the bottom spot. See if I can keep my luck up with my cut and paste. And there we go. So I'll just cut and paste this over to the right. Sort by everybody's names, and we'll go through our list real quick so we know who has which teams before we tear into our box and see what we get. Alrighty. Bobby has the Cardinals and the Phillies. Brian L. has the Pirates. Brian M. has the Twins. Charles has the Yankees. Dusty has the Mariners and the Red Sox. Eric has the Blue Jays and the Nationals. Fred's got the Braves, the Diamondbacks, the Giants, the Orioles, and the White Sox. Jack's got the Rays. Joseph has the Tigers. Josh M.A. has the Marlins and the Rangers. Josh M.I. has the Mets. Keith has the Padres. Kenneth has the Angels and the Cubs. Lawrence has the Brewers and the Royals. Matt has the Rockies. Milani's got the Indians and the Reds. Melissa has the Astros and the Dodgers. And Richard has the A's. Alrighty. So let's open our box and see what we get. There's our pack. Looks like we've got a 4th card. Looks like there's 2 relics and 2 autos instead of 2 autos and 1 relic. You get out a couple of fixed sleeves here. So our first card is a Sean Manaea autograph, and that is serial numbered 245 out of 250. For the A's. Almost forgot to say that, since this is a team break. Our next card is a Freddie Freeman jersey for the Braves, and that is serial numbered 370 out of 375. And then our next card is a Legends Chipper Jones jersey card for the Braves, and that is serial numbered 72 out of 175. You can kind of see the pattern there in the foil. That looks fantastic. Camera definitely does not do this card justice. So the Braves actually doubled up in this break with both of the jersey cards, Chipper and Freddie. And our last card in the box is very nice. Mariano Rivera, Tier 1 talent. That's a gold ink autograph right there. And that's a 1 of 1. How about that? I had to tilt it to see the foil stamp there on the right. I apologize for that glare on the card, but I'm just trying to show you the 1 of 1. How about that? Little Mariano Rivera 1/1. And of course he has sensational penmanship and has for years. How great is that? Great hit for the Yankee spot. Mariano 1/1. Black Ops, they're $1.49 a spot, I think is what I have them priced at. How about that? 1/1. Awesome. That is awesome. Alrighty, now that we have opened our box, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. So first, our Sean Manaea autograph. I guess I should bring our list up. There we go. Wrong screen. And that goes to Richard. Congratulations on that, Richard. And then both of our Brave jersey cards, our Chipper Jones Legends jersey card, and then our Freddie Freeman jersey card, both go to Fred with the Brave spots. Congrats on that. And then last but certainly not least, our Mariano Rivera 1/1 Tier 1 Talent autograph goes to the Yankee spot. And that goes to Charles. How about that? How about that? Congratulations on that, Charles. That's awesome. That is awesome. Fantastic. Let's take another look at that. How about that? Congratulations on that, Charles. That's an awesome hit. Fantastic. Fantastic. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2019 Tier 1 Baseball Random Team 1-Box Break number 1. Thanks to all of you that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live feed for the break this evening. And we'll be back in a few minutes with our 2020 Prism Football Random Player 1 Mega Box Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody. Yeah, Black Ops. It'll go, if it's not sold out, it's still going, it's going at 9 o'clock regardless. It'll be going one way or the other.